Okay, today we got a Chevy Equinox that we are replacing wiper blades on, and we actually just got done doing a transmission. So, the wiper transmission, I should say. So, putting wiper blades on this guy. This one, we're going to make sure we got the right wipers to start off with. So this is the long arm. So that's going to be your long wiper right here. Alright, so it's easy as pushing that button in and then sliding this piece back in. And then you take off the clip. That's it. In and out. It's the same thing, just push that button in. And boom. Easy peasy. Alright, Brian from Garage Mahal, that's how you install your new wiper blades on your Chevy Equinox in 5 minutes or less. Alright, thanks for watching and subscribing, guys. Be safe out there.